Join us at Tillamook Creamery on the Oregon coast, where you can watch Tillamook's famous cheesemaking in action and enjoy cheesy treats and ice cream at the Tillamook Creamery restaurant. If you enjoy this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more adventures in the Pacific Northwest. Tillamook Creamery is in Tillamook, Oregon, about an hour and 20 minutes drive west of Portland. Although Tillamook is a small town, the cheese factory is always packed with visitors. From the entrance, follow the stairs up to the free self-guided tour of the cheesemaking process. In honor of the occasion, I wore a cheese-colored shirt. You can look through huge windows to see the cheesemaking in action below. As you can tell, all three of us attended the tour. It turns out there's a lot to know about cheese. If you'd like to buy cheese, there is a giant cheese store.
So one of the things that I think is really fun about coming here is that they have certain cheeses that aren't available in grocery stores or that I haven't seen in grocery stores. So I had to limit myself to two. And so I chose the English style sweet cheddar, and haven't tried this one before, the garlic chili cheddar. I like spicy things, so looking forward to it.
And finally, there's the Tillamook Creamery restaurant, where you can buy cheesy food and Tillamook ice cream. Something to keep in mind, Tillamook Creamery is open daily from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. as of the making of this video in March 2023. So if you're planning to get dinner there, make sure it's on the early side. While you're in the area, consider visiting nearby Cape Meares, where you can experience Oregon's wild and wonderful coastline and see Oregon's gigantic, largest spruce tree. Click the link in the upper right corner for our video on Cape Meares. Thanks for joining us at Tillamook Creamery. Remember to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.